So one of the things that we get a lot from kiddos that come to us that are not good at math or just do not like math is they really don't have a strong number sense. Now, what is number sense? Yes, it's understanding numbers and what they represent, but it's more than that. So for the kiddos that are still counting on their fingers, they have an understanding of what the quantity means. They understand how to add and subtract using their fingers. So that's not the issue. The issue is that they can't do it without their fingers. They don't have it automatic. It's not something that's just easy for them. That's like trying to read a book letter by letter, word by word, one at a time. That's not fun. So if you have to do math where every single calculation you're doing, you're using your fingers, it doesn't make math fun because it's not easy. So number one, we need to get those math facts automatic. And I mean automatic, where you're just not even thinking about it. Now, if it's not automatic, and I still have those math facts myself that I can't quite remember if it's 42 or 48 or whatever that number is, I have the ability to reason through it very quickly. And that's the second part of math fluency, is that you can get to the answer more than one way. You can figure it out. So that's another aspect of it, where a child, you can say to them, what's 9 plus 6? Well, they might be counting on their fingers and say, look, take one of the 6, add it to the 9, you got 10, and then you have 5 left over, that's 15. They have to be able to really manipulate those numbers in that way and do it mentally, and they can envision it. And the third part of math fluency or numerical fluency is just that sense that that number can't be right. So I can do all the calculations and get to an answer and look at it and go, yeah, I did something wrong because that number just can't be right. And what I mean by that is where you have maybe 2 single-digit numbers and your outcome is something in the thousands place. You're like, what? No, that can't be. So it's knowing that the number's wrong because it's not possible, given what you started with, that could be the outcome. And that's another part of number sense and number fluency, is that ability to just know whether the answer is even possible given where you started.